HowExpert Guide to Art and Design, the ultimate handbook for mastering artistic skills, exploring creative expression, and building a successful art career by HowExpert. Let me show you a preview of the book. Let me show you the table of contents. Introduction, Part 1, Foundations of Art and Design. Chapter 1, The History of Art and Design, the Origins of Art from Cave Paintings to Ancient Civilizations, the Evolution of Design, Architecture and Industrialization, Major Art Movements and Impressionism, Renaissance, Modernism, and more. How history influences today's art and design trends. Chapter 2, Principles of Art and Design, the Elements of Art, line, shape, color, texture, form, the principles of design, balance, contrast, emphasis, unity, composition, how to arrange elements for impact, understanding space and proportion in art and design. Chapter 3, understanding different art forms, visual arts, painting, sculpture, and photography, performing arts, theater, dance, music, literacy arts, poetry, writing, and storytelling, digital arts, graphic design, animation, and web design. Part 2, Mastering Artistic Techniques. Chapter 4, Drawing and Painting Techniques. Basic drawing skills, sketching, shading, and perspective, watercolor versus oil painting, techniques and materials, exploring mixed media, combining different art forms, advanced techniques for expressive art. Chapter 5, Design Techniques for Beginners and Professionals, the basics of graphic design, typography, color theory, layout, using design software, Adobe Creative Suite, Canva, and more, illustration and digital art techniques, creating for print versus web design. Chapter 6, Photography and Visual Storytelling, the basics of photography, composition, lighting, and angles, mastering digital photography, DSLR versus smartphone cameras, editing techniques for photographers, Lightroom and Photoshop, visual storytelling in art and design. Part 3, Specializations in art and design. Chapter 7, Fashion design, the art of clothing, fabric, pattern, and fit, fashion illustration and sketching, design process from concept to creation, sustainability and trends in fashion. Chapter 8, Interior design, the basics of interior design, space planning, and color theory, furniture, lighting, and material selection, designing for different spaces, residential versus commercial, sustainability in interior design. Chapter 9, Architecture and Environmental Design, the role of architecture in society, principles of architectural design, form, function, and aesthetics, sustainable architecture, eco-friendly and green design, designing public spaces and urban environments. Chapter 10, Digital and Interactive Design, graphic design for web and mobile applications, user experience, UX, and user interface, UI design, the role of animation and motion graphics in digital design, virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, in design. Part 4, Building a Career in Art and Design. Chapter 11, Portfolio Development, building an impressive art and design portfolio, showcasing your best work, tips for presenting your skills, creating a personal brand as an artist or designer, the importance of online portfolios and social media, how to tailor your portfolio for specific industries. Chapter 12, freelancing and running a design business, getting started with freelancing in art and design, setting your rates and managing clients, legal and financial considerations for freelancers, marketing your freelance business, branding, networking, and social media, creating multiple streams of income as an artist. Chapter 13, pursuing formal education in art and design, art and design schools, what to look for and how to apply, scholarships, grants, and funding for art students, internships and apprenticeships in the design industry, continuing education, workshops, online courses, and certifications. Chapter 14, career opportunities in art and design, traditional career paths, fine artist, illustrator, graphic designer. 14.2, non-traditional career paths, art therapy, art direction, curating, the role of art in digital marketing and advertising, future careers in art and design, innovations and emerging fields, how to adapt your art skills for different industries. Chapter 15, the global art and design community, connecting with art and design communities worldwide, major art exhibitions, festivals, and events, networking and collaborating with other artists, celebrating diversity in art and design. Conclusion, Appendix A, glossary of art and design terms from A to Z. Appendix B, recommended resources for artists and designers. Appendix C, top art and design schools and institutions. Appendix D, facts, frequently asked questions for aspiring artists and designers. Appendix E, major art and design events and festivals. About the author, publisher, recommended resources. So this is the behind the scenes book for the latest book, HowExpert Guide to Art and Design. Introduction, it has 70 images inside this book. This is a quick preview behind the scenes. It will be published as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook coming soon in the future as well. Here's chapter 1 and very detailed images. This book is created by AI, so it's structured, comprehensive, and covers all aspects of this topic as well as fantastic, high-quality images. So if you're interested, go check out this book coming soon in the near future. And each chapter has a chapter review as well, as you can see right here. Okay, so I will publish it on all the platforms. Let's get started. This is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Let's start with that. Publish. Okay, great. Your Kindle ebook has been submitted. Okay, let's go to Google. All the information has been set up. Publish. Congratulations. You've successfully added your book to Google Play and Google Books, which is available basically on Google Android Store for Google Play Store. Under the book section, Kobo, publish. We'll take it from here for Kobo Writing Life. Barnes & Noble. Okay. It's processing right now. And I like to take a screenshot for marketing purposes. Okay. This is Barnes & Noble. I set it up on Find Away Voices, and let's publish it on Apple. Here are the books I published in the past. So let me set this up. Click on Art and Design. I have to fill this out, rights and pricing. Let me do that right now. Add new countries, regions. Apply digital rights management. Release date will be 2 days after the pre-order date, which is today, so it'll be the 6th of December. Base currency, US dollar. Release type new. Physical price $19.99. As of right now, it might be higher because it's going to most likely, I'm considering it. Most of my books are black and white color, but this one may be color because it has 70 images, and I'm considering color for this one. Okay. Confirm. Done. Okay, so on the bottom, click done as well. So that's for Apple. And I will publish the print versions, the paperback and hardback, very soon on Amazon, Ingram Spark, and directly on Shopify's e-com store. Thanks for watching the video. Go check out this book, How Expert Guide to Art and Design. This is behind the scenes paperback print cover. Here's the cover for the ebook. Go check it out on all stores. Thank you very much. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more. Talk soon. Take care. Bye.